Good morning, students. Let us continue with Act 3, Scene 2. In the last video I had done a bit of Act 3, Scene 2. We had covered till around line number 30. So not with much delay, I will start now directly reading line as well as explaining it for you all, right? So we were on the point, let me choose, for as I am, I live upon the right. So we were at this point where Bassanio tells Portia that let him choose, let him make his choice for the way I am living, because he's saying for the way he is living now, okay, he feels a sense of torture. And when Bassanio tells this, that he is under torture, his life is like being torturous, she wants to know what is torturing him. So she asks him here, upon the rack, Bassanio, then confess what reason there is mingled with your love. So she tells him, under torture, you are under torture. Then she says, then confess what disloyalty is mixed with your love. If you are under torture and you have come here and you are telling me you are under torture, then tell me कि आपके प्यार के साथ क्या disloyalty मिला हुआ. What disloyalty is combined with your love. Okay. Bassanio has something else on his mind anyway. None but that ugly treason of mistrust. So Bassanio says, none but the feeling of doubt. He says the torturous part that I am feeling is that I am in doubt. Doubt for what? Whether I will be able to choose the right casket or no. That is eating me up. That is torturing me. Whether I will be successful in winning you. Whether I will be successful in choosing the right casket. That is torturous for me. Okay. So none but the ugly treason of mistrust, which makes me fear the enjoying of my love. And this mistrust is making me fear that I might not get my love. And because of this mistrust, I am under fear that I might not be able to win the one I love. He is openly telling her now all this. Okay. There may as well be amity and life between snow and fire. Then he giving an example. There might well be friendship and life between snow and fire. But he's saying like there could be impossible things. He said there could be friendship between snow and fire. Snow is water, remind you. Fire, water and fire can never be friends, can never combine. He said, but it's possible that there could develop a friendship between snow and fire. Okay? If there is disloyalty in my love for you, that means that if I am disloyal in my love for you, it is possible that there can be friendship between snow and fire. Meaning he is trying to tell her that this is impossible. Indirectly, that I love you. Okay. Portia then is inside, she is very happy about all this. But I fear you speak upon the right. Well, let this be. I fear and I know that you speak under torture. Now tell me what is torturing you. Okay. Where men enforce to speak anything. Say like when a man is tortured, like someone does a crime, police catches that person, they torture him. And when they torture him, he opens his mouth. He tells the truth. He tells the police what they want to know. So he's saying, she's telling him something like that. Okay, when men are forced to say, so you are also in that type of situation. Like you are right now compelled to tell me what is torturing you. And I will want to know the fact. Okay. Bassanio then says, promise me life. Now he wants to tell her what is eating him up. Promise me life and I'll confess the truth. So he tells her, if you promise to let me live. Now he's wanting a promise from Portia that if you promise to let me live, I will tell you the truth. Because आप अगर ये promise कर सकते हो, my life, then I will confess and I will tell you what is torturing me. Portia tells him, well then confess and live. Now, ठीक है, you confess, मान लो, बता दिए, and I will let you live then. Bassanio, confess and love had been the very sum of my confessions. So he tells her to confess. Confess is like to speak the truth, right? To confess and to love were the very things my confession was going to be. Well, these are the two things I was going to confess to you about. That is my love and my being. Okay. Had been the very sum of my confession. Oh happy torment when my torturer that teach me answers for till him. Now he is like looking up and he is praising God and he's saying, oh happy torment. Torment is like being in a form of torture. Okay. When my torturer, here the torturer for Bassanio is Portia. When my torturer teaches me the answer that would save me. So she is teaching me the answer which will save me. But left me to my fortune, and he said, forget all this torturing thing. Now take me to the place where the 3 caskets are put. Bas, I just want to get over with this. Now can you tell me what is torturing Bassanio? I'll give you an example, right? When you'll give your exams, the date for your results are the next day. How many of you can sleep peacefully at night? You all are tortured. Tortured in the sense that you'll want to know tomorrow when you'll go to school what would be your percentage. Those who are very weak, they would not want to know whether they are promoted, not promoted. Those who are very clever, they want to know whether they have topped or their rival has topped. So that is all torture. When you feel all these types of doubts and all these things, that is a form of torture. Okay, so that was torturing Bassanio, whether he would be able to choose the right casket. Okay, now then Portia knows that he is not going to listen. She has already begged him, appealed to him to wait here, spend some time. She'll teach him how to choose the casket. He is not listening. He is just wanting to get over with this torture. So he says, show me to the place. Portia, away then, I am locked in. Then she takes him to the room like she took Aragon and Morocco. And there the 3 caskets were on display. Then she tells him, away then, I am locked in. When he go ahead, and in one of these 3 caskets, I am locked. What does she mean by I am locked? You all were told when you started the play that when one suitor asks, how will they know the right casket? Portia told that suitor, the casket that has my portrait in it, my picture in it, that will be the right casket. So she's telling him, now go ahead, and the casket that has my portrait or my snap or picture, whatever, is the right casket. Okay. Away then, I am locked in one of them. If you do love me, you will find me. And she challenges him. And she says, if you really love me, your love is strong for me, you will choose the right casket. Because this is a test. And it was said that the person who really loves Portia will choose the right casket. So she's telling him that if you really, really love me, you will go ahead and choose the right casket. Okay. Nerissa and the rest stand all look. Then she tells Nerissa and others who were there, servants or whatever, all of you go back, move back. Let him go ahead. Okay. Let music sound. Now these are very important things. When other suitors came, Portia was very quiet. What she had to discuss, she discussed. She did not nothing. Here she is telling her servants that let music be played. Gana bajna hai. Okay. Let music sound while he doth make his choice. And while Bassanio is walking ahead, going ahead with the choosing of the casket, she orders a song to be played, unlike the Morocco and Aragon. Okay. Then if he lose, he makes a swan-like end. And he tells them that let this song be played. And if Bassanio loses, he will make an exit like a swan. Now you all must be having notes in your books. What is a swan-like end? A swan-like end, it is believed that when a swan is a Hans. When you were small, you must have drawn swans in your drawings and all. It is said that when a swan is about to die, imagine, when a swan is about to die, it sings. For one last time, वो गाती है और गाते गाते वो बह जाती है और वो मर जाती है. ये कहा जाता है, right? So if Bassanio chooses the wrong casket, he will also be like that swan. The music will be there, and in that only he will fade away from Portia. Okay. Then if he loses, he makes a swan-like end, fading in music. That the companion says he is going to be like a swan. May stand more proper, my eyes shall be. And he said, to make this comparison more befitting, once he chooses, and if he chooses wrong, he will fade away like a swan, and I will cry, and the tears that come out of me, out of my eyes, will form the stream. एक नहर बन जाएगा आंसुओं का, और उसी में बसानियो बह के चला जाएगा एक स्वान के जैसे. That is what she's telling him. Okay, so fading in music, then the comparison may stand more proper. My eyes shall be the stream, and watery death bed for him. And once he floats away, he will meet the end like a swan. A swan meets a watery deathbed. He may win. Then he says that this is only if he chooses wrong. But if he wins, and if he is successful in choosing the right casket, then this same song will have another meaning. बिल्कुल एक opposite meaning निकल के आ जाएगा इस गाने से फिर. Okay? And what meaning will come out? If he wins, and what is music then? Then music is even as the flourish when the true subjects bow to a new crowned monarch. Meaning this same song will be like when a prince gets the throne and becomes a king. जब एक राजकुमार राजा बनता है, म्यूजिक बजता है उस दिन. That is called a coronation. And special music is played, and it will be the same meaning for Bassanio, because if he wins, Bassanio यहाँ का राजा बनेगा. He will be the king of this house. Okay? So it says the same music will have a different significance if he wins. Okay? So, to a new crowned monarch, such it is as are those dulcet sounds in break-up. Then she gives another example if he wins. She said it will be like when in India, when there's a marriage, there's a lot of functions, and घर के सामने there's this shehnai bajowing. Shehnai is being played. Shehnai, that trumpet type of instrument. Said the same music will be, and it's a happy occasion. The boy is getting married. It will be signifying the same happy occasion, because here Bassanio will be winning Portia. Okay. Then creep into the dreaming bridegroom ears and summon him to marry. And when the boy gets up in the morning and the shehnai is playing, he gets up with joy in his heart. Same music will be significant for Bassanio. Okay. So we will do up till here only. I am not going very fast, very slow. I want that you get a grip of this. Your understanding should be good. Okay. So we'll end this video here. The next time we will carry on. You all can mark it. Keep marking a particular mark so you are aware where I leave, where I start from. You all just don't have to be blank when I teach. Okay. Goodbye. God bless.